Boom! Bitcoin just surged over $80,000 and the entire crypto market is on fire. But what caused this massive rally? The answer might surprise you. We're not talking about Elon Musk tweeting rocket emojis or another country adopting Bitcoin as legal tender. This time the catalyst comes from a completely unexpected source, former President Donald Trump. That's right, the same Donald Trump who once called Bitcoin a scam might have just inadvertently ignited the biggest crypto rally of the year. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what Trump did, how it impacted the crypto market, and what it means for you as an investor. Because whether you love him or hate him, one thing's for sure, Trump knows how to move markets, and this time his actions have sent Bitcoin skyrocketing. In a move that shocked economists, former President Donald Trump announced a temporary suspension of tariffs on goods imported from China. This unexpected decision sent ripples through global markets. Remember the trade wars during his presidency? Well, it seems like Trump's decided to change the game plan. Now you might be thinking, what does this have to do with Bitcoin? And that's a fair question. When global trade policies shift, it creates uncertainty in traditional markets. And when traditional markets get jittery, investors often look for alternative places to park their money. They're drawn to assets like Bitcoin, decentralized, free from government control, and historically known for zigging when the market zags. Trump's tariff pause has injected a dose of uncertainty into the global trade landscape. And while some investors are hitting the panic button, others are seeing this as a prime opportunity to diversify their portfolios. This isn't just speculation either, we've seen this pattern play out before. So, while the talking heads on TV are busy dissecting the political ramifications of Trump's tariff decision, savvy investors are already one step ahead, recognizing the potential impact on the crypto market. And explode it did. As news of Trump's tariff pause spread, the crypto market reacted with the subtlety of a rocket launch. Bitcoin shot up a staggering 6% in a matter of hours, smashing through the $80,000 resistance level. This wasn't just a little blip, this was a full-blown surge, fueled by the anticipation of a seismic shift in global trade. But Bitcoin wasn't the only one riding this wave of bullish momentum. Ethereum followed suit with an impressive rally of its own. And let's not forget about the altcoins, those smaller cryptocurrencies often overshadowed by their bigger brothers. They were like the life of the party, with some posting even more dramatic gains than Bitcoin and Ethereum. This synchronized surge across the crypto market paints a clear picture. Investors are seeing the potential for significant gains in the wake of Trump's policy shift. They're not just dipping their toes in the water, they're diving headfirst into crypto. As long as this uncertainty persists, we can expect to see continued interest and investment flowing into the crypto space. We went straight to the source, talking to seasoned traders and market analysts about this unexpected turn of events. One veteran trader, Mark, put it best: "This changes everything. Institutional money is always on the lookout for market inefficiencies. The crypto market, with its wild price swings, is a siren song for these players." Trump's tariff pause has created a ripple effect that's impossible to ignore. It's injected uncertainty, making big players ready to pounce on profit. Another trader, Sarah, echoed Mark's sentiment. Instability in traditional markets gets certain investors interested in crypto. These are the big fish, institutions with deep pockets. They see Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies as a hedge against inflation. This is why Trump's tariff move is so significant. It's a reminder that crypto is here to stay. Hold on to your hats, crypto enthusiasts, because this wild ride might just be getting started. We're not talking about pie-in-the-sky predictions here, but rather the calculated forecasts of seasoned market analysts. One of the key factors they're watching closely is whether Trump's tariff pause becomes a more permanent fixture. If this trade war détente holds, it could signal a return to economic stability and growth, a scenario that typically bodes well for risk-on assets like Bitcoin. The Federal Reserve also has a crucial role to play in this unfolding saga. They've been hinting at raising interest rates to combat inflation, a move that could potentially put a damper on the crypto party. However, if they decide to hold off on those rate hikes, it could inject even more fuel into the crypto rocket. Of course, it's important to remember that crypto is inherently volatile, but for those who are in it for the long haul, the potential rewards are undeniable. If you're trading crypto, this is your moment. Don't chase blindly, use a strategy. The crypto market is like a powerful engine, capable of generating incredible returns, but it needs the right fuel and a skilled driver to reach its full potential. That's where a solid trading strategy comes in. Don't get caught up in the hype and make impulsive decisions. Instead, take the time to educate yourself, develop a plan, and manage your risk effectively. This is just the beginning. Stay ahead of the news, stay ahead of the market,